Hi guys, welcome to Zero to Hero Web Design course. My name is Femi Oye from Digital Creative Concept. I'm so excited that we have gotten to this point in this course, and if you have followed through from the beginning till this time, I believe something has dropped in your hand. I believe you are not that same person that started the first video. If you have followed through, you've done your assignment, you've done everything up to this point, I believe you are a changed person. Changed person in terms of the skills that you have acquired. And I want to let you know that the money you paid for this course can never equate to the value you've gotten in this course. The ultimate goal of this course is to empower life, is to put a skill in your hand, and I believe we've been able to do that successfully. And this video is just for the bonus modules. We told you at the beginning that we are going to be having some bonus modules, or just to add to the wonderful things that we've done already in this course. So quickly, let me just show you the bonus modules, what we are going to be doing in these bonus modules, so that we can do that and we'll call it a wrap on this course. So the first thing is how to back up your WordPress website. There are times you are working on your website and you think of tweaking it some way, and you are not sure if you will spoil something, or if you will disrupt something and all that. So you might want to back up your WordPress website first somewhere, so that you can explore, so that you are free to do whatever you want to do. And any case where you get it disrupted, you can always restore it back to what it is. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Then another thing is how to reset your WordPress website back to default. For example, you want your website that you've built something on it already. You've built a project, you built a website on it, and probably you want to use that same domain for another project. You want to remove what is on it, all the plugins that you installed, everything, so you can restore it back to default. And I will show you how to do that. There's also a plugin to do that. Everything we want to do now has a plugin for it, and we're going to install the plugin and we'll do whatever I want to do. Then the next thing is how to add live chat feature to your WordPress website. You visited the website and you see something like chat with us and say hi, and somebody will respond. So that's a live chat. So I will show you how to put that live chat feature on your website. And then the last thing is how to optimize your web pages for search engines, and that's Yoast SEO. And that will be all for this course. So please follow me as I take you through this one after the other. So now we're in our WordPress admin backend. By now you know how to get to this place. So please, when you want to do, you'll just log into your admin backend and you'll be able to do all this. So the first thing I want to show you is how to back up your WordPress website. So the first thing you need to do is to install the plugin that you need for this. And the plugin is called All-in-One WP Migration. So let's look at it. Let's go to where plugin is. Then we upload a new one. So see plugin, then you click on add new. It's loading. So come here and search for all-in-one. So you should bring it up. So this all-in-one WP security navigator, all-in-one WordPress SEO, easily improve your SEO rankings. All-in-one WP migration. This is it. So what will you do now? click on install now. It's installing, and after installing, you know what next? Activate. So we activate it. So if you look at it, it's here already on your plugin dashboard. So when you come to this sidebar, you will see it there also. So you mount your cursor on it, this will come, then you click on export. So when you see this, then you click on this, then click on export to file. So you click on file here, so click on file. So preparing to export, is working on it. So now it has been totally exported. So what you do is you click on download, and it will be downloaded to your system. So but I don't need to download it. When you click on this download, then it will be downloaded to your system. Can you see 154 megabytes? It's large, so I don't want to download it. So click on download, then it will download it to your system. Then you click on this, click on close. So another way apart from that is to export it. So you can click on backups. Under this place you can see export imports. Then you can click on backups. So click on backups. So it will bring you to this place, and you see 154 megabytes. You can edit this one if you want to edit it. So set a label for it, so you can label for it BNB underscore backup. So if anything happened and you want to restore, all you need to do is come to this place, click on restore, and your system will be back to how it was when you back it up. So that is that about backing up your website. So I'm moving to the next thing, straightforward. So the next thing will be how to reset your WordPress website to default. How to reset it to default. So the first thing is to install the plugin. So click on add new. So you search for WPreset. WPreset. So to look for it, this is it, WPreset. But I thought I have it already. Okay, I don't have it here. So you click on install now. It's installing. After installing, you activate. So you look for it here, WPreset. You can remove this, WPreset. So this is WPreset. So what you do is click on this place. So it will bring you to this place. All you need to do is just scroll down and forget about all these things you are looking at. Just scroll down to the last thing. Then you come here, then you type reset. When you type reset and you click on this reset site, all your website, everything you've done will be deleted. Even the plugins will be removed, and it will go back to when you just installed your WordPress. So that is that about it. Just type reset and click on reset site, and everything will go back to default. So that is that about resetting your WordPress back to default. So the next thing is how to add a live chart to your website. Let's look at the website. How to add a live chart at this website. So we are going to add a live chart to this website, and we are going to see how it's going to look like. So let me work on that very fast so that we can round up this video. So there is a plugin we are going to be using for that, and the plugin, the live chart plugin is Smartsupp. So go to your plugins Where's my plugin? Okay, this is it. Click on add new, and you search for Smart. So search for Smartsupp, SUPP. So it will search for it. So this is Smartsupp livechart. So you click on install now. It's installed. Then you click on activate. So to be activated. So after installation, look at it. Look for the Smartsupp app on the start bar. Can you see it's here already? Click on it. Click on it. So it's telling us to create a free account. It's free. Smartsupp is free. So create a free account. Let me create my account. So put in your details. Click on create a free account. So it's saying chat with your visitors. So what do? Click on this. So you fill in these details and you log in. After filling your email address and password, you see this, you want it in English, then you click on login. So you can click on any of the color you want, then you continue. I click on this and I continue. Then it's saying introduce yourself. Oyedare Oluwafemi. You can just say Oyedare. That's your own name. Just do your own name. Continue. This is the auto message. Hello, we've noticed you are here for the first time. If you have any question, don't hesitate to get in touch. So if you want to change it to something else, you can change it to something else. But I'm cool with that. Then click on continue. So the next thing is to fill this survey and you click on continue. So you put your website address, then you click on continue. Okay, you have to fill all these fields. So quickly let me fill this field. So I've filled the whole thing, then I will click on continue. So for some web developers, they can copy this chart and then they will know how to embed it on their own website and to start working. But for those of us that are non-coders, all you need to just do is just click on continue. You've installed WordPress already, so you click on continue. So we're now in the dashboard. So the next thing you will do is you will open your website in Chrome Incognito. You know how to do that. Let me show you. You come here, you will see Incognito somewhere here. See new Incognito window. So you click on this. So you take you to this dark kind of window. Then you look for your website address, www.bnbstores. So now you look for your website, and this is your website. And if you look down, you can see that the chart widget is here already. The chart widget is here already. So all you need to do is, let's test it now. Let's say somebody is on your website now, and somebody wants to chat with you, and someone open the widget and say, good day, BNB stores, and send it. If you go back to your dashboard, can you see that this is there already? Do you understand? All you need to do is you reply the person, so you come to this place so that you can reply good day BNB stores. Then you reply good day, how may I help you? Then you click. So you have replied. So let's go to the website in Incognito and see if it's there already. Can you see good day, how may I help you? So that is that about having a live chat on your website. So it's very free. You can upload your image. You can do some other things on it. So the next thing now will be how to optimize your web pages for search engines. So we are going to be using Yoast SEO. That's the plugin we are using for that. So come to your plugin. Now I told you, plugin is that thing that powers WordPress website. You can see everything we want to do. There is a plugin for it. So come here, search for Yoast SEO. So this is Yoast SEO. You can see 5 million active installations. So click on install now. Then you click on activate. So let's look at it. Yoast SEO. Can you see now? This is Yoast SEO and it's already activated. So anytime you want to create a page on the website, or let's look at the page we've created before. You know, this is a company website, all those home, about us and all that. So we can make those pages to be search engine optimized with the help of this plugin. So let's click on all pages. Then we pick one of those pages and try to optimize it. So contact, home, privacy. Let's check this home. Let's say edit. So by default, this will appear under the page. Assuming you've not installed Yoast SEO, you will only see this. Do you understand? I don't want to go to edit to Elementor. You don't need all that. So, but because we have installed Yoast SEO, that's why we have this. So what this is telling you is that, can you see now, mobile results? That is on mobile, when somebody check on Google, and this is how it will look like on mobile, your home page. If they check this is how it's going to be on desktop. You know, so if there's anything you want to edit, you can edit it. For example, this is how this is looking like. If you want it to look different, home, if you want to say, can remove all this, can you see that's been removed? Can say so you can write home, then you can put something like this. Then you can write foremost digital marketing agency in Nigeria. Can you see that it's looking better? You can see that this thing has changed to green. Can you see now? Then if you're now trying to look at what you write, for example, what you write, then what to put here. This one also slug. Slug is just, you can just put whatever you have here, still put it here. The same thing. You can put this one here. You understand? So then here, meta description. So you saw a little bit. You can copy something on your website and put it here. You say a little bit, then you can go to Google and see how other websites. Can you see this now? Nike shoes and sneakers. I search for Nike, but let me search for digital marketing agency. can see how this one looks like, all these ones. So you can fashion yours, and look at these are the let me check this meta description. That's what is showing. That's this. This is the meta description. So you write your own the way you want it. You can check some on Google, then write your own. Sit down and write your own. Don't copy and paste. I'm just doing this just because of this video. So you can put your meta description here, then it will show. Can you see now that it will show here? So that is that. The another thing is, you can see that when I search for this thing, it's showing me the amount of results. You might not be seeing that in your own. Then if you come to this side, you will see some related keywords also, digital marketing agency and all that. So these are related keywords that are optimized already. So you can use some of these keywords for whatever you want to put on that place. And you won't see this on your own website because it's a plugin that are installed on this, so you can search for it and also install it. It's called Keyword Google Keyword Everywhere Chrome extension. Keyword Everywhere Chrome extension. So you can install it. When you install it, it will be installed on your browser, on your Chrome browser. So my own was installed. That's why when I search for anything, it will bring me all these keywords that can use it to write my content. So that is how to optimize your web page for search engine. So this is meta description. Then another thing is, you can click on this to see analysis, SEO analysis. See 3 problems. Then you scroll down to see what the problems are. They say outbound links. No outbound links appear in this page. No outbound link appear in this page. So you can put a link. So for example, in this place, in the content of the page, you can find a way where a link could be something like so click here, or you can put a link to your website, or a link to another website, or a link to a video you have on YouTube. That's what this is talking about. So if you put that link, then that one will be removed. Let me see if I can just put www. So on the content of the page, let me show you. This is the website page and this is the home page. So in these places like this, you can put something like a link there. Do you understand? Maybe a link to another website. So make sure something like a link is within this place. So that is why that one is showing like that. Another problem also, let me read the other one. It said key phrase length. No focus key phrase was set for this page. Set a key phrase in order to calculate your SEO score. A key phrase must be, so like I said, I don't know what your own keyword is. So your keyword must start at least the page. For example, your keyword must be in this place, must be once or twice in these articles. So you need to play around this. Just look at what the problem is and try to resolve them. They say improvement, internal links. You have enough internal links, good job. SEO title width, good job. Can you see? So anyone that is showing green, that means you are good to go. All these ones are also good to go, but you can still improve on it. Say text length. The text contains 204 words. is below the recommended minimum of 300 words. So you can add more content to these ones. It said is less than 300 words. So you can add more to it to make it to 300, and you will pass that that particular test. Another one is okay, those are just the three. Outbound link, so you can put a link that takes you to an external website, maybe a YouTube link where you have a video and all that. Key phrase length. Then I said this one can add to the content to make it up to 300. So that is just that about this. You can also read further on how to optimize your web page for WordPress website. So that will be all for this course. I believe you've gained a lot in this course, and I believe you have added a skill to yourself. And one thing I want you to know, that it doesn't end here. Even me that I'm talking, I'm still learning day by day. Everything I've taught you today, by tomorrow something might have changed. So you need to learn more and more so that you don't go into extinction. Yeah, if I can use that word. So you don't get obsolete, so that whatever you've learned in the next few years is not obsolete. No, you need to read more and more. You need to learn and unlearn. So please and please try and do this. Learn more, read more. Everything that we've done, you can do it better. You can sit down with it, do it better than what I've taught you, and I believe you can do it. So that is going to be that on this video. I'm so happy that I'm able to get through to this point, and I believe that by the time you are seeing my next video, probably in other courses, maybe Facebook marketing, maybe search engine optimization and every other thing, I believe you will be happy to purchase my product once again. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for everything in general.